Welcome back. We are continuing the news. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica says strong winds affecting Jamaica through Saturday could cause rough seas and infrastructure damage. And already fishermen are beginning to feel the impact. Yannick Williams has the details.
All right, we're going on so right now, the breeze that give a problem, A lot of breeze, that give a problem.
Strong winds whipped across sections of Jamaica on Thursday, caused by a low-level jet stream. And in Rocky Point, Clarendon, fishers rushed to secure boats and equipment as rough seas hurled debris, seaweed, and broken branches onto beaches.
Boy, it's scary about in the car when you can't find your food, man, it's scary. You try 100 times all you know and still at the place. Pray with some farmer cooling we go on and gather and I fish them that we can get a good food.
The Met Service says the strongest impacts are expected along southern coastal communities and offshore waters, where marine conditions have become increasingly dangerous. The fishers say normally calm shorelines were left littered and windswept after hours of strong gusts. Still recovering from the impact of Hurricane Melissa, they are worried the strong winds could damage fishing infrastructure and affect their livelihoods.
We always get rain in a May. No breeze. But now, neither rain, pure breeze. No fish can catch. We can't get nothing for sale. We can't even buy food. Nothing. Picnic never can go to school.
Family so we are there get like a rain, be a drought. All the ground, the trees them dry up. We can't even buy food. Because through the sea we live off, and the children them have to go see. Have to get like money for we as a grandmother.
Some fishers say the prolonged conditions could also affect earnings if boats remain docked for several days.
Oh, this is about time now if you go see, This is about time if you go see, man. And the fisherman want to go see, man. A hungry man. You know, save your money. If you save your money, and look out for bad time.
While some are also worried this hurricane season might be even worse than last year. The Met Service is warning that the conditions could persist onto Saturday, increasing the risk of damage to roofs, trees, and light infrastructure. Fishers and residents in vulnerable areas are being urged to remain alert. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.
Okay, so time now for responses to our feedback question. And this evening, we have been asking, what has been your experience with the strong winds being felt across the island since Wednesday? Our first comment, it comes from Audrey, who says, I'm loving it. Keep my mask on and make sure my wig is firmly pinned, LOL. We have another comment, and it is from O'Shane, who says, if I didn't know better, I'd think someone's been trying to break into the house. But it's those strong winds that have been making things move. And do we have another one? Yes, it is from Monique, who says, I've not felt any difference in St. Anne. Okay, Monique. And Eunice says, don't have a problem with God wind. Again, we're asking what has been your experience with the strong winds being felt across the island since Wednesday. You can keep those comments coming, facebook.com/Television Jamaica. And of course, you can post on X at TVJ News Center. So please stay with us. The business day and news from overseas are all after the break.